The Myrabach Wasserfaelle are tucked away in a peaceful, green valley in Lower Austria, around an hour's drive from Vienna. This area is known for its untouched nature, clear mountain streams, and dense forests, making it feel like a true escape from the city. The waterfalls themselves wind through a narrow gorge, with wooden walkways and bridges guiding you along the water. It's an easy and enjoyable walk, which makes it perfect for families with children, as well as anyone looking for a relaxed nature experience without too much effort. There are several parking areas near the entrance, and parking is free of charge. During peak season, it's a good idea to arrive early, as it can get quite busy. That said, we visited on a sunny Saturday at the end of April and had no trouble finding a spot. Along the trail, you'll come across dozens of wooden bridges and stairways that bring you right up close to the many waterfalls. The path is thoughtfully designed, with benches along the way where you can pause, rest, and simply take in the views. It's clear that a lot of effort goes into building and maintaining this place, which makes the entrance fee feel well justified, around €7 for adults and €3 for children. Just to clarify, the entrance fee only applies to the waterfall section with the wooden walkways, bridges, and staircases. However, the entire valley of the Myra stream is exceptionally beautiful, and it's a real pleasure to walk along the trails that follow the stream, even outside the paid area. We truly enjoyed our visit and are sure we'll be coming back again. We'd highly recommend you come and experience it for yourself, and take a moment to enjoy the beauty of nature. Just make sure to leave it exactly as you found it, clean and untouched. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.